Do you have neck wrinkle? You want to get rid of those wrinkles on your neck? You want to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles on your face? Continue watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Here is my beauty channel. So on this channel, I teach how to take care of your skin. Some natural things you can find right in your kitchen to get a spotless, beautiful skin, to also look younger. This is by firming the skin, delaying signs of aging, and make you look more youthful always. So consider subscribing if you love beauty tips. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So I will show you how to make use of coffee. Yes, your morning coffee tea, the one you use in preparing your coffee, to make a very wonderful mask. Applying it on the face, applying it on your neck. It helps to firm the neck, it helps to tighten the skin and make you look younger. Skin on your neck and the face are almost similar. They are very, very light, like very thin. So you have to take care of it by moisturizing it. You have to take care of it with the right ingredients. This remedy is also very good for the hands. For those that have wrinkles on the hands, on the feet, just apply on them. You see that your hands and your feet will be rejuvenating. It will be getting softer, more smooth. It will be getting rid of those wrinkles. And with continuous use, you will not have them again. If you don't have wrinkles on your neck, you can as well make use of this treatment to delay them from coming so fast. Like a prevention, you benefit from this if you don't have wrinkles, like having a clearer skin, having a smooth skin, having a well uniform skin that glows. So I'm going to list the ingredients one after the other. I added oat powder. If you don't have oat powder, you can make use of cornstarch or you can make use of rice powder. These powders are very important and contains anti-aging properties. It possesses anti-aging effect on the skin, helping to firm the skin. It helps to rejuvenate the skin. Like this particular one, oat powder, to firm the skin, helps to keep the skin supple by hydrating, moisturizing, and make sure your skin is not dried out. Oat powder is very good for sensitive skin, oily skin, and dry skin. Just go on and get it, you will love it. Another bonus is that it exfoliates the skin to get rid of dead skin cells that makes you age faster, that makes you have a dull skin. So just get any of these powders and you will never regret it. So the next one I made use of is coffee, like the title says. Yes, so this is the brand I'm making use of. I normally buy any brand, just get any one I can find. All are coffee. Coffee contains powerful antioxidant that helps to fight free radical damage that makes you age faster. It smoothens the skin, it gets rid of cellulite. If you apply it on cellulite with some ingredients that will exfoliate that area. Coffee also helps to firm the skin. If you apply it on your skin, you will notice a firming effect, always to ensure you have a clearer, beautiful skin that glows. We have the egg yolk, we have the egg white, so you have to separate. Remember, you can make use of any one: oat powder, cash, rice powder. Any of these powders can go. They have firming ability, and you applying it on your neck, you will love it. 1 tablespoon of oat powder. Then I added half tablespoon of coffee. You can see the color is not so deep, and that is because I didn't add so much coffee ground. So then I separated the egg yolk from the egg whites. I added all the egg whites of the one egg in here. I mixed together. So I added also 1 capsule of vitamin E, like only 1 capsule. If you don't have the capsule form, just add like few drops of vitamin E from the bottle. Okay, the oil is perfect. If you have the almond oil, add half teaspoon of almond oil. Mix together. If your treatment is still thick after mixing, you just have to get rose water, add it. I love rose water instead of water. Look at rose water. You can use any rose water you can find as long as it's very good. Rose water helps to balance the skin pH for any skin type. It's very perfect. Like this is something that if you use it on your skin, you'll just be so glad that you did. So you benefit so much from it. But if you don't have rose water, you can make use of distilled water. Distilled water is a water that is boiled and allowed to cool. Then you make use of it. Make sure the water boils. Alright, so mix together until it forms like this. Do not let it to be so watery and do not let it to be so thick. This is just perfect. You can see it in a thick form. Then you have to remove all makeups, of course. Remove all makeups. You know, you have to allow your face to be naked. Like, make sure there are no dents by washing it thoroughly. Then you have to apply this treatment so that it will be able to penetrate well and work better. So I want to introduce you guys that don't know I have skincare products. I have skincare line that's for all skin types, for all skin complexion, that will make your skin glowing, that will unify your complexion, purely natural. I have anti-aging products. I have different skin types, different skin complexion. If you want the one that will lighten you or that will maintain your complexion, I have it. So just contact through that WhatsApp and I'll do the best. So I have products. So I'm going to apply this treatment to show you how it's done right now on neck. I totally forgot it's for neck. So this is for neck. It's also for the face, yeah. Also for all over the body. You can apply it all over the body. So just wet that area you want to apply it. You know, use a lukewarm water better, so that the pores around that area will open up, so that this treatment will be able to penetrate and work better. Yes. So after applying it like this, you can go on and apply on your face as well. I'm going to apply on my face. You know, like I said, this is also good for fine lines. You see, you have been following me, you notice that I'm looking more younger. I don't joke with this, even if I have skincare products. Of course, this is just like a foundation. You have to take care of your face, your body, using all this before you apply your products. This is not an exchange or substitute for skincare products. After making use of this, you usually use a moisturizer, of course. So apply all over your face or anywhere you want to treat to look younger, to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. You can see my neck, you know. All right, so make use of this to get rid of wrinkles on your neck, fine lines, any signs of aging, and you love it. I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes or above. When it gets dried, then you wash it out. All right, so after washing it out, you notice a clearer skin, and that is just normal. It's normal with all this because they are purely natural, and it contains the right ingredients that will plump your skin, that will make your skin supple, that will exfoliate your skin. When you exfoliate your skin after washing it out, you notice a clearer, beautiful skin instantly. You have to apply a light moisturizer. Of course, if you don't have a specific moisturizer, you can go on and apply vitamin E oil. It's very penetrating. You can apply sunflower oil. You can also apply argan oil. These are very good oils that firm the skin. Just massage that area. Massage. Also, coconut oil, a very good one, the one that is very organic. Also, coconut oil is a very good one that firms the skin. If you can get a very coconut oil, it helps greatly. Just like neck and the area that you apply the max, and you see your skin, and you see your skin looking so beautiful. Yes. All right, and with consistency, you see your skin getting younger and younger. Your neck will firm up, and with continuous use, you will notice that those wrinkles will be reducing and reducing gradually until you see them no more. So be consistent with this treatment. Use it 3 times weekly or twice weekly for best results. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Share this video to everyone. I will see you in my next video.